So here is the second ICANN for RF1, which is graphing equations in the form of y equals m, which is the slope, x plus b, which is the y-intercept or the y-intercept. So for the first one, you can quickly realize that 2/3 would be the slope, and for the second one, you would have -4/1. Why do we write it as a fraction? It's because the numerator represents the vertical displacement and the denominator represents the horizontal displacement. Now the y-intercept for each one, b, would be 4 for the first one, and the second one would be 1. So how do you graph these? Well, let's take a look at the first one. You always start here at your y-intercept. So that means if this is my y-axis, which is the vertical axis, you would start at 4. And then this represents 2 vertically and then 3 horizontally. So let's do that. 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3. This would be my next data point, and so on. I can continue this pattern going. If I were to go to the left, it would be the opposite of what I just performed. So it would be down 2, and it has to follow the same pattern as well, because we are dealing with linear. So linear is a straight line. So now that I have my equation, I can readily connect the dots and do a straight line. So that would be the first one. This equation that you see here would be represented by y equals 2/3 x plus 4. Uh, Same idea for the second one. You start off with your y-intercept. So this point here is a data point. A lot of people don't realize it's the y value when x is 0. Same idea for here, huh? This is the y value when x is 0. So 0, 1 would be found here. And this is my vertical and horizontal displacement. So this means that I have to go down 4 because it's -4, and then 1 to the right. So let's do that. So my next data point would be found 4 displacements down and then 1. And again, continuing the same pattern and so on. And I can do that. The opposite would be up 4 and then 1 to the left. And again, I have a straight line because we are dealing with linear functions. And here we go. That would be my equation, which would be represented by the following equation here. Y equals -4x plus 1.